Come on in. All right, welcome. We are going to do a room tour of an executive suite with a balcony at the JW Marriott in San Antonio. So we actually got an upgrade. We originally just had regular standard room. We are doing an anniversary, or wedding anniversary, 9 years, getaway. And so Joseph emailed and just let them know it's our anniversary, and we do have status with Marriott, and they gave us a free upgrade. So we're gonna show you this room. It's very nice. When you walk in, you immediately have this shelf, if you will. Comes with your ice bucket, 2 waters, cups. We've already been utilizing some of their cups. Underneath here, you got the coffee, you have tea, everything you can think of for the morning. Very nice because it's just really easy and plain, and you got your outlets right here too. Mirror, and then as soon as you come in here, you get the closet with pillows and bedding, and that will actually go to the couch pull-out that I'll show you in a minute. Standard ironing board, all that fun stuff that you get in every hotel room. Then over here, what I like is that you also get your refrigerator, a little mini fridge, which we already have stocked up. We got some champagne to celebrate, and then orange juice for mimosas in the morning. You have drawer space over a hand length deep, and I like to know that because some hotels are very shallow. You have a safe right here, so I like it because it's actually hidden and not just like in the closet. More storage space, lots of storage here. I noticed that. So we're gonna come in this way, and then we'll end up, we'll do a circle. So one thing we realized is that if you're a big party here, they do have a lot of connecting rooms and connecting balconies. And so if you're doing like a reunion or just had a big family, like this is perfect for that. So this really huge couch actually will pull out into a bed. So you will still get a little chair right here, but then you'll have a bed good for like, it's like probably twin, queen maybe, normal standard pull out bed, if you will. So you could fit easily 2 more people. So this room would house, I would say 4. If you really wanted to like pile the people in, but I don't think you'd get your tags in. I mean, you could easily do like a blow-up mattress or something, or a crib, etc. And then this is just like a normal standard table. I don't know. Table, watch your
ottoman.
TV. Yeah, ottoman. You have a really nice work desk. I came after our drive, I had to work, and so I've been working. It is after 5 o'clock now, so we went ahead and got some drinks going on and stuff like that, but this was really nice today. They did let us check in even a little early, and so I was able to work all day. But I love the little chairs that it comes with. You have all your, USB regular things to charge. Josie does all the technical stuff. So then you're going to come out to the balcony. People always show balconies last. I don't like it. So this immediately is our view. So they did tell us that they put us in the water park view. However, like, I love this because we can see some of the resort, the golf course. This is going to be fantastic for the morning for the sunrise. Like, I cannot wait to show you all the sunrise. But yes, we do also see the water park. What I like about it is if we're staying here long term, like long time with the kids or something, you can see, like, is it getting busy? Do we need to go like get our chairs reserved and all that stuff? But it's just perfect. Like, the sun's already setting over here, so you don't have the sun heat, but in the morning this is going to be great. And then because it's an executive suite, come on over to the rest of our nice. But these lounge chairs are actually really comfy. And I like how they have like a even more solid table. I like these better because our kids will stand on those ones, and I'm always kind of worried about them breaking stuff. And like I said earlier, they do have connecting rooms, and so this would actually come down if you connected to the room next door. And then the room over there has a smaller balcony. It's not as big as this one, but it is a smaller one. So you could easily, like, all lay together and be in the same, but like if we had connected rooms, we could easily fit 4 or 5 people out here, 6, comfortable and not, worry about it. And where I like about our position right now, like where our room is situated, is it has a water feature without them probably noticing it, but like you hear the water noise, and that's something that I love when I'm on vacation, just the ambiance of my view. So we definitely plan on partaking in all of this. So then we're going to go into the bedroom side. But somebody locked the door, so we're going to go back this way. Why would you lock the door? Are you afraid somebody burglarized you?
Technically, I don't think we ever opened it.
Alright, so we're going to come back in this way. So you can actually enter the bedroom two ways. You have the main door area, so if you're with two different couples and you wanted to shut the door, you could, or even the bathroom area, you could go in there. But we're going to enter it this way. So you come in, really nice size bed. You also have another desk, which is great because Joseph put all of his camera stuff, everything there, his iPad for work. This is a king size. We went ahead and unpacked immediately. Lots of storage again. So no pull-out drawers, which you see normally in hotels, right? Just kind of like shelves. So he picked his side. I picked my side. You definitely have a lot in the middle. I do kind of feel like something was probably here, like maybe a mini fridge or something. I don't know. Like I feel like something's missing, but I feel like it's just random. Lots of closet space. We went ahead and hung up some stuff, you know, normal for your suitcase to fit in there. Plenty of hangers. I mean, standard, you know. And then you get, again, a little bit more storage over here with all your USB and plugs and all that stuff. Comfy chair, huge TV. And we're going to walk out here. I'm just going to show you. We already were outside, but, you know, I mean, again, just like, this is a view. So again, if you're with another couple and you have the door shut, like you can still come out and not bother them and just have your view. Just really nice. So now we're going to show you over here the bathroom. I like it when you know easily where these things are in hotel rooms. Alright, so here's the bathroom. Again, you have the door shut in case you're using it. You have one vanity. The only thing I would say negative is that I did feel like this room was big enough for two vanities. I figure if you can fit like 4+ people in here, you should maybe have two vanities. So it just has one little vanity. For us, it's fantastic. We already made our stuff ready. Wonderful tub. If you have little kids, this is just like perfect. And then a beautiful shower. Like, I mean, nothing over the top fancy, like one of those showers that like, was it the
rain shower?
Yeah, nothing like that, but just, I mean, basic, but I mean, roomy, nice, clean. And of course, you have the toilet, which it is nice that it has a separate door, because if you, again, come with other people or just in general, it's nice. And then you could shut this door, not shut it, and then you're back out to the front. So again, huge room, huge room. If our kids were here, one, it'd look a lot messier, but they'd be running around screaming, playing hide and go seek. So I really love the space. It's good to know so that we could come back and know this size room would be perfect for us. But hope you've enjoyed the tour. We're gonna go hit the pool now and we'll show you videos of that. All right.